What's up, Internet? This is Rich Malachy here on a TotalFood.com exclusive video. Thank you for having me, everyone. Today, we are going to be talking about information. Basically, you're an end user customer, you're running a restaurant, you have a service call issue, your oven's down, your steamer's down. It's crucial. We got to get that up and running. So you call your local service company. You're calling Malachy Parts and Service here in New Jersey. You say, hey, Rich, my steamer's down. It's not working. Come and fix it. Bye. That is just not good enough. So we're here to help you. So let me explain to you some of the things that we need and why we need them. The first thing when you call, obviously we got to get all your account information, make sure we're all good to go, emails and phone numbers, this way we have proper way to communicate with you. We need to communicate back and forth. Sometimes those things change. We want to update it every single time we talk. On top of that, we need to get the model, we need to get the serial, we need to get the manufacturer. Why do we need this? So we can send it to our technician and he knows what he's going to work on. Not working, it's too vague. We need to know specifics. Is there an error code that's on your unit? If there's something that's maybe more high-tech than something else in your kitchen, if there's error codes, give us the error code. If there's something that's happening early in the morning that's not happening in the afternoon, let us know there's intermittent problems. Give us the whole lowdown on everything that's happening. And the reason we need to know this is because our technicians' wheels start spinning the minute that they get a service call sent to their GPS dispatch. They're going to be driving to the next call saying, okay, this steamer has error code XYZ, and I know that that's a door problem. There may be a door sensor, there may be a door issue, whether it's a convection oven, steamer, whatever it might be. Now he can start the process of fixing that repair in his head before he even gets there. We'll determine parts that might be needed. Hopefully we'll have them for a first visit fix. And we can get there and assess the situation in a much more efficient, timely fashion. So those extra 30, maybe 60 seconds on the phone with us could save you dollars. Because if we can get in and get out within the first hour on diagnose and maybe make the repair within the first hour or two, it saves money, it saves time, and you're back to business a lot faster. So information is key. Let's slow down to help each other out. This is Rich Malachy, Total Food exclusive. You need to go follow us on YouTube, Malachy TV, and don't forget the podcast, The Care Factor. We're running that right now, season 1. Can't wait to talk more with you guys. I'll see you on video 2. TotalFood.com. Peace.